Hello. After last week's record-breaking heat across much of Europe, temperatures have been cooling down over recent days, particularly across Scandinavia. It's been very cold for the likes of Finland. Now, things are going to be turning a little less cold over the next few days because we've got the air moving in from the Atlantic, all associated with an area of low pressure. So that is going to be bringing some breezy, showery weather on Tuesday to the UK, Scandinavia, and also down towards France. We've got some showers, some windy conditions, heavy showers developing across the Alps. Also quite windy weather likely for parts of Turkey and across Greece as well. But lighter winds for central parts of the Mediterranean, lots of sunshine across the likes of Sicily, the Balearics, towards Spain and Portugal too. And another warm day to come, certainly in Madrid, temperatures 35 Celsius, so keeping the heat here. But across France, still warm in the south, but some heavy showers, windier conditions further north, and unsettled blustery showers pushing across the likes of Denmark and Sweden as well. Heading on into Wednesday, and as weather fronts move their way further south, the heaviest of the rain will be across parts of northern Italy, Austria, up towards Poland and towards Finland as well. Some heavy showers likely here, but drier further south. London and Paris stay rather breezy and also unsettled with showers at times over the next 5 days or so. Should be dry in Madrid and also in Rome as well. Berlin should see the showers clearing away later this week, so return to sunnier skies. Still unsettled though for Moscow. Bye-bye. Hello, let's take a look at the weather across North America now. And through the weekend we had some heavy showers and thunderstorms across parts of central Canada into the upper Midwest as well. All down to a cold front here which is moving its way south. On the satellite image you can see the cloud associated with that storm system. Further heavy showers to come through the day on Monday on that cold front, pushing across the Great Lakes. Parts of Iowa, Minnesota as well could see some heavy downpours. We've also got some heavy showers across the far southeast of the United States and also across some western parts of Canada. But for British Columbia, in fact, it looks largely dry and temperatures are on the rise. So certainly things are going to be warming up for the likes of Vancouver over the next couple of days. That warm weather continues across into Washington State and Oregon too. Much of California looking hot and dry with plenty of sunshine, a bit of mistiness around the coast for San Francisco at times. So here's the outlook over the next couple of days for some of the major cities in the west, and things are looking pretty warm and dry, particularly for Vancouver and Seattle, not quite as warm in San Francisco and Los Angeles. But it's a dry day for the likes of Montreal towards New York and Washington DC as well. Quite warm and relatively humid here as well. Further south, some heavy showers across the Carolinas towards Georgia and into Florida too, with some sunshine in between these showers. Here's the outlook then, and there'll be showers arriving in both Montreal and New York during the day on Wednesday, where things will turn cooler. Bye-bye. Hello, thanks for joining me for this look at the weather across South America and Central America too. And we'll start with South America and head to the satellite image. It shows some cloud across southern parts of Chile. There's already been quite a bit of mountain snow here, and it's going to stay unsettled with further fronts coming in here. Meanwhile, we've also had some pretty cold weather across parts of southern Brazil, courtesy of this weather front which is moving its way further northwards. So that will be clearing away from the east coast. Still another fairly cool day for the far south of Brazil, but it'll be warming up over the next few days. Further north across the continent, and some heavy showers across parts of Suriname, Guyana, French Guiana as well. Some of those showers lingering across eastern parts of Brazil with that weather front still in place, so cooler than we've seen for Rio de Janeiro. Buenos Aires though seeing a slightly milder story, so things warming up compared to what we've seen recently. Staying unsettled though across southern parts of Chile with further mountain snow across the Andes. Rio de Janeiro will see those temperatures back up to about 27 degrees or so by the middle part of the week, so warming up here, but Buenos Aires sees more showery and rather cool weather later in the week. Across Mexico, some heavy showers building through the day, particularly over the higher ground in the west and also southern parts of Mexico, seeing some of those showers. Much of the Caribbean largely dry and settled, but some heavy downpours likely across the Lesser Antilles through the day on Monday. Taking a look at the next 5 days or so, there will be some showers around at times in Havana, Kingston, San Salvador, but it looks dry in San Jose. Bye-bye. Hello there, let's take a look at the weather across Africa and the Middle East now. We'll start with the satellite image, and we can see these areas of cloud through Central Africa that have been moving their way from east to west gradually. Over the next few days, the heaviest of those downpours, those showers and thunderstorms will be concentrated across western parts of Africa. So particularly heavy rain for parts of Sierra Leone, towards Liberia, for instance, as well. Could be some flooding around the Gulf of Guinea here. Further south, it's been particularly warm across parts of southern Africa, but some cooler air is moving in towards Cape Town through the day on Tuesday. Further north, though, things are warming up for the likes of Tunisia over the next couple of days. So in Cape Town, things are looking a little bit cooler. The arrival of some showers likely through the middle part of the week. Johannesburg stays largely warm and sunny as well. Plenty of sunshine also for Dakar. In Khartoum, next few days hot and sunny, but a bit cooler with the arrival of some showers and some thunderstorms from Thursday onwards. Now let's head to the Middle East, where things are looking predominantly dry, settled, hot and sunny. This is the picture on Tuesday. We'll see Shamal winds picking up, blowing from a northwesterly direction across the Gulf, and also southwesterly winds fairly brisk along the coast of Yemen and Oman as well. There will be some showers, particularly around southern parts of these Red Sea coasts, but for the rest of the region, we are expecting things to stay dry. Could be some lifted dust through central Saudi Arabia, but for Muscat, Dubai, Riyadh and Kuwait, all looking hot and dry over the next 5 days. Bye-bye. Hello there. We saw some particularly heavy monsoon rain through the course of the weekend across parts of Myanmar, Bangladesh and the west coast of India too. Similar areas, once again, are going to be seeing the impact of some heavy rain over the next few days. A lot of cloud there on the satellite image in the Bay of Bengal. That is driving these warm, moist southwesterly winds into coastal parts of Myanmar. A monsoon depression bringing very heavy rain here and across parts of Bangladesh. So further flooding likely here as we head through into Tuesday. The west coast of India also seeing strong westerly winds from the Arabian Sea, bringing further pulses of heavy rain. Meanwhile, heading further northwestwards into central parts of Asia, things are looking largely dry and settled across much of Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, into Turkmenistan as well, not quite as hot as it has been here. Heading further south, some heavy showers for northern parts of Pakistan, drier down towards Karachi, but heavy rain for Mumbai. Once again, further flooding possible here, and also down the west coast towards Kerala as well. Plenty of heavy monsoon rain here. There'll be some torrential downpours moving into northeastern states of India, including West Bengal, and then the heaviest of that rain will shift its way further westwards over the next few days. So heavy rain arriving in Gujarat later this week, for instance. Mumbai will continue to see showers on and off over the next 5 days or so. Showers should clear from Islamabad. In Tashkent, hot and dry, temperatures dipping down a little bit over the next 5 days or so. Some showers for New Delhi. Bye-bye. Hello there. There's some particularly turbulent weather in the Western Pacific at the moment. We've got Typhoon Francisco, which is making its way towards Kyushu in Japan, then heading towards South Korea. Further south, also another tropical storm, Lakima, which has developed close to the Philippines, followed by another tropical depression a little bit further east. So plenty going on. This is Typhoon Francisco. Now it is going to be weakening once it's made landfall, but we could see up to about 200 millimetres of rain over the next few days across parts of Kyushu before it moves close to South Korea. Across the northeast of China, though, things are quite warm at the moment, then followed by some heavy showers. Further south, torrential rain still across parts of the Philippines and Vietnam, following the flooding that we've seen over recent days. In Osaka, things should stay dry, sunny and pretty warm over the next 5 days or so. In Seoul, we'll see the arrival of some heavy and some thundery downpours and strong winds in association with that typhoon as well. Across Australia, lots of dry, settled weather, but weather fronts in the south moving from west to east. They're going to be introducing some cool, showery weather across the likes of Victoria and Tasmania through the day on Tuesday too. Meanwhile, across the Tasman Sea, a bit of a respite after the wintry weather we've seen recently across New Zealand. Things are looking drier with a westerly wind and just a few showers around. Melbourne looks pretty chilly and unsettled over the next 5 days or so. Rain arrives in Wellington by Friday. Bye-bye.